Hey everybody, this is Bill Williams. Welcome to another Trahan Creek Outdoors video. Over the course of time of living here on my 20 acres, I've accumulated tons of photos and video clips of deer, urban deer, living right here on the property with me. Now, urban deer are different than, well, I guess we'd say wild deer, because these deer have seen people every day of their life. They live right up here with us. I'm going to give you a little taste of that. Over the next several weeks, I'll try to put together a few clips for you and give you a little bit of a look at what urban deer are like and why they are different. So, if you like this, be sure and comment and subscribe. I appreciate all my subscribers, and I thank you for also hitting the notification bell so that as these videos do come up, you can be notified and have a chance to take a look at them.